I mean, do you seriously think it was about that job? It was you. It was always you.
Aye, okay.
Gonna stop fucking patronising me!
What did you do?
Turn your time machine into a teleporter in 3 easy steps.
Now, can you tell me a bit about your musical instruments? Can you tell me a bit about your musical instruments? Can you tell me a bit about your musical instruments?
Your breath stinks.
I have feelings. You can't ignore me forever. Plenty of people have tried.
I don't get it.
Which is a shame really, because I'm hilarious.
Some fucking You right, Bob? You getting on, mate? You alright, aye? You alright, mate? You alright, pal, aye?
So, how would we know if we were dead?
Well, I guess we'd have to interact with someone who was definitely alive.
Originally, I was following a band quite closely, and they were all kind of about big kind of theatrical makeups and props and stuff. And they had this puppet that I was just like, I want to make it. I want to try and make it. So I tried to make it, and it came out really well. The outfit that went with it got released shortly after, and I was like, I could make that.